Hi everyone, I'm going to cook today white adobo sa gata. So we are going to use the chicken, and we have frozen coconut milk here, and we are going to use onion, garlic, ginger, dried chili, bay leaf, ground black pepper, and peppercorn, and we are going to add also sweet potato and vinegar. So let's start it. And also the salt. Adding oil. Then we just cook this chicken. Just fry it a little bit. Just scrape up, and then put it back in the. You don't have to cook. And put also the broth of the chicken. So you just have to heat that up. Add oil again. Now add the ginger. You just have to mix this, and then add the garlic. You have to cook through the ginger so you can get the flavor and the smell of the ginger. Add onion. Put it back the chicken. Don't add the broth yet. Just the chicken. And I'm adding the bone also. Salt. Add peppercorn, ground black pepper. Add the bay leaf. Now add 1/4 cup white vinegar. And add the broth. Do not mix it yet. Just cover this for 2 minutes until the vinegars cook. Okay guys, it's really boiling now. Now we're going to add our gata, the coconut milk. It's frozen. It's okay. That's fine. Smells really good. Yeah. We have to add our chili. Just let this cover, and we're going to cook this for 20 minutes. In the low heat, we are going to cook 20 minutes. Now I'm adding the sweet potato. Then I take it out all the bones. Cover it until the potato is cooked. Now the coconut milk, it came out already, the oil, so which is really good. And our sweet potato, it's cooked already. Now we just wait a little bit. Okay everyone, our white adobo with coconut milk is really cooked and it looks delicious. You just have to wait that the oil from the coconut, it came out. So now we have to serve it. I'm gonna show you, look at the coconut oil, it came out really good. Now we just have to serve this. You have to be careful that we're not gonna oil onto the food. You need to separate this. Look at that coconut oil. That's a lot. This big spicy stuff. So here's our white adobo with coconut milk. Hope you like it guys. See you again later. Bye.